Guys, so I'm really excited today to be filming this video. This morning I woke up to this beautiful package and I decided to do a video with it. So this is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I ordered this about a week ago from Beauty Bay and it came and I'm so excited to be playing with this palette today. It is seriously like the most beautiful palette I've ever seen. I think it's going to be as good as the Modern Renaissance palette. I don't have other palettes from Anastasia just because when the Subculture palette came out, everyone didn't like it and everyone said it's very powdery and it's not like the Modern Renaissance. And the other palette, the Prism, I think it's called, I don't really like the colors on it, so I thought I'm not going to waste 50 euros just because it's Anastasia. And this came out and I fell in love with the colors. These are literally the most beautiful colors I've ever seen. These are like colors I would literally use every day. And I also decided that I wanna get this palette just because there's the black color. Also, can we take a moment for the packaging? It's velvet, just like the Modern Renaissance, but it is so beautiful. These are the colors. So the first color I'm going to be taking is Sienna, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. One thing I'm noticing is when I'm going in to pick up the color, there's a little bit of fallout, as you can see, but nothing major. I mean, I think all palettes do it. So the next color I'm going to take is Mulberry. It's this beautiful dark burgundy shade right here, and I'm going to take that on the Anastasia brush that comes with it. Also, this color has a lot of fallout. So I'm going to put this also on my outer V, but this time I'm going to keep it lower. So now I'm going ahead and do a cut crease. I'm going to take that same NYX concealer. I'm going to do a cut crease. So now for the lid, I'm going to take this shade called Glistening. This shade is so nice. It's so good. Now for lashes, I'm going to take this Malibu lashes by Morphe. Now for face, I'm firstly going to start off by primer. This is the Porefessional by Benefit. And I'm going to be applying this on my T-zone. Do you guys like to see any try-on hauls or something like that? Because I ordered some clothes and I thought I should do a try-on haul or something like that. So if you would like to see one, comment down below or like this video and I'll do one. Now for foundation today, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in the shade 12 Ivory. This is such a full coverage foundation. I'm just going to do one swipe and one swipe here, one here and another one here and just a little bit here. It feels very heavy and oily as soon as I put it on. Now I'm going to do... What the heck? I look so... Okay, we're going to fix this. So now for concealer, I'm going to take the NYX HD Concealer. To set my under eyes and my whole face, I'm going to take Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I also bake my nose with that because that's the part where I get the most oil throughout the day. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. bronzer, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I'm going to take that on my usual bronzer brush. This is the Morphe Y9 brush. Now for blush, I'm going to take this Freedom blush palette. I'm going to take a mixture of these two shades right here. Now for highlight, of course, I'm using the Amrezy highlighter. It's also by Anastasia. I've been obsessed with this, guys. It's so pretty. To finish off the eyes, I'm going back into that mulberry color. I'm going to do the outer part of my lower lash line only. And to blend the color, I'm going to use Sienna. To highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to take the Amrezy highlighter. For mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. For lips, I'm going to take the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Commando. This is, I don't know which collection this is. Last but not least is setting spray. I'm going to take the Gerard Cosmetics Layer Day setting spray. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I really enjoyed playing with the new Anastasia palette. I think this is as good as the Modern Renaissance palette. I love everything in it. The only thing I noticed was that it had a little bit of fallout. Personally, I don't mind, but to other people it could be an issue. I will be using this palette non-stop because it's just amazing. It's worth all the 50 euros I paid for. It's so good, and the colors are true to color. They're not patchy, they're blendable, they're buttery. Everything you need in a palette. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye guys.